the 2020 Kia Telluride. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.